Yo, what is going on, my YouTube fam? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach, coming at you, teaching you the best methods to make money online. And today I want to share with you the top 4 tips that I recommend if you are going to start an online business in 2020, more specifically an affiliate marketing business. You need to know these 4 tips. Grab a pen and a paper. Make sure you are taking some notes. I wish somebody sat down and told me these 4 things when I was getting started. It would have helped speed me along my path and make more money faster. And these are very, very important tips. And make sure that you stick with me through this entire video, because at the very end, I'm going to be sharing with you how I got started and my number 1 recommendation to start making money online, how you can get started on your path to success much, much faster. It's where I got started, you guys, and it has helped me a ton. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this. Also, you guys, if you are brand new, make sure that you smash that like button, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you share these videos, and make sure that you let me know down in the comments what your goals are for 2020 to make money online. I'm just curious how much money you are looking to make. If it's a lot, you're on the right channel. So let's get started. Alrighty, are you ready to start making some money? Let's get straight into this video, you guys. I want to fill you with as much knowledge as I possibly can that you can retain to get started making the most money possible. The first tip that I want to share with you, you guys, is I want you to understand and have proper expectations for your business. You're going to have a delayed gratification mindset. And more specifically, what I mean by this is a lot of people these days expect everything to be immediate. They invest in courses, they decide to invest in themselves, they open their wallet, they actually spend some money, and they think that it entitles them to actual immediate gratification, that it's a guarantee that they are going to make money. And I want to make it very clear that if I was to go out and buy the blueprints to build a house, and I just looked at them and I didn't actually go and take any action and start constructing that house and, putting up the frame and taking massive action to actually, construct that, nothing is going to happen. Just buying the blueprints does not guarantee that a house is going to be built for me just by doing this. And this is the same thing when you actually invest in a course and invest in yourself, which is great because you need to do that. You need to get the right information in front of you, the information that actually works. That's very, very important. And that's what I was after when I was getting started this time around and creating my own online business. You guys, I wanted someone to take me by the hand and show me exactly what to do. But you need to have a delayed gratification mindset. And what I mean by that is take massive action every day. It's going to be a lot of work. And you're going to have to stay consistent. You're going to have to stay motivated. And one of the ways that you can do this is by watching my channel, because I'm going to be putting out 2 to 3 videos every single week teaching you how to stay motivated, and how to build your online business with the best tips there is out there. Something else I really want to make sure that is clear is that you have the proper expectations of how much money you're going to make and how fast this is going to happen for you. You are not going to be quitting your day job in a week or in a month. I want you to have more of like a 6 to a year, month mindset, because this is probably what it's going to take. If you have some money to actually invest in your business, this can happen faster. But there's a lot of personal development that has to happen as well, along with investing in yourself and investing in the tools that you are going to need to start your online business and actually make it profitable. It takes some time, you guys. It does not happen overnight. You're going to have to take action. You're going to have to practice at this quite a bit until it actually becomes profitable for you. But the good news is that you can do this, because if I can do this, I know you can do this, and that is just a fact. One other topic that I want to talk about in this category that has to do with expectations has to do with when people are out there researching, different courses and methods of how they can start making money online, and they're very quick to say things are a scam. But what's really happening most of the time is those people aren't willing to put in the effort and stay consistent long enough and put in that hard work to actually see the positive results and actually start making some money online and, have a profitable business. I have done this. I am, victim to this several times over, you guys. I've started a lot of different little businesses, and I would get started and I would realize how much work it was. And then honestly, I didn't have a strong enough why or something to actually keep pushing me forward and keep going and stay consistent long enough to actually see any positive results. And this time around, it has been completely different because I changed my mindset and I listened to people that actually know, what they're doing. And I stayed consistent, and I stay consistent to my why, and I will not quit. I will never quit. I will keep going until I succeed. And it has helped me a ton, with growing my business this time around, and it will do the same for you. So understand that things are not necessarily a scam. Do some research, but understand that you're going to have to put in some work, and you will see the results, especially with the method that I'm going to be sharing with you at the end of this video. You guys, it is 100% legit. It will work, and you can start your own online business if you stick to this and you stay positive and just keep going. Something else I've learned along this journey is that you're mostly competing against yourself. Actually, you're competing against yourself, you guys. There's a lot of competition in the online space, and it's just growing. But that really doesn't matter, because here's why. A lot of people, just like I have been saying, will not stay in the game long enough to actually see any positive results. So in the end, you're competing against yourself. If you can stay consistent long enough and put in the hard work and learn the skills and attain the tools that are required to actually grow an online business, you can do this. It's going to cost you a little bit of money. It doesn't have to cost you a ton of money, but you do have to have some cash flow and be able to invest in your business so that you can actually get the tools that you need in front of you to actually, grow your online business. So now that we've talked about, what to expect, how much work it's going to take, kind of investing in courses and kind of what to expect from that, you guys, and that there is courses out there that are 100% legit, that they're not scams. And, just the fact of understanding instant gratification, we can kind of now jump into what I want to actually present to you, which is my number one business opportunity that I recommend that you invest in and actually get started making money online in 2020. You guys, if that's your New Year's resolution, or if you're just looking for a solution of how you can get out of the situation that you're in and you want to break free and start your own online business that is profitable, you need to check out my number one recommendation, and that is down in the description at the very top of the description. Go down there, check that out right now. Understand that it does have a little bit of an investment to get started. I want to be upfront with you. Nothing in life is free, you guys. You're either going to put in a lot of hard work, or you're going to have to actually, pay for something and get the proper information in front of you. And honestly, I recommend that you do both if you want to succeed the fastest. Do both of those things. That is what I got started doing, and it has helped me a ton. I want to also break into something that helped me out a lot, which is an individual mentor of mine that I've been watching told me this, and he said it time and time again, and it has been so important and helped me out so much, and that is to focus on one thing. So a lot of people get started trying to make money online, and what you're going to learn, especially with affiliate marketing, is that you have to drive traffic to your affiliate offer. And they get themselves way too spread thin because they're trying so many different things to actually bring people to the product that they're actually trying to get them to click on and buy. And what they end up doing is they spread themselves thin, and they never get the results that they want because they never stay committed long enough. The best way to do this is to focus on one thing and just get really, really good at it, because if you do it long enough, you will gain traction and you will get the results, and your business will start to grow, and then you can actually kind of break into some other things. Unless you have a ton of time on your side, I would not recommend doing more than one thing. And now more specifically, what I'm talking about is if you are going to start an affiliate marketing business, what I recommend that you do to save yourself a bunch of time and money and headache is to actually launch your own YouTube channel and become an influencer and drive your traffic that way. Because when I got started, I didn't want to be on camera, and I thought I was going to do different things, and I was just going to pay my way there. And I lost a ton of money. Can you make money doing it that way? Yes, there's people doing it like that. But unless you have a lot of extra income to stay consistent long enough and to be able to consistently keep investing until you actually got that figured out, you're going to lose a lot of money, especially up front, and then you're going to say it's a scam. So the best way to do this is actually start a YouTube channel, become an influencer, you guys, and actually drive your traffic that way. Now understand, if you do decide to launch your own YouTube channel and drive traffic that way, which I highly recommend, I want you to understand that it's going to be very difficult at first, more difficult for others, but I know from experience, just doing this myself, that it caused a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety, and it was very, very difficult. But I know from life experiences that I just needed to get comfortable being uncomfortable and push myself through it to grow and become the person I need to be to actually grow my YouTube channel and find success. So when you start doing this, just stay consistent, just keep going, and make sure that you're, watching, other people's content and modeling what they're doing, because it works, you guys. Follow people that are doing something similar to you, people that are very, very successful. Watch their content, watch what they talk about. These are the things that you want to be talking about, that you want to be focusing on. Why? Because it works. You, as an affiliate marketer, are trying to find a base of people that have what you have to offer. And the only way to attract that is to have content that is focused on what they're after. You have to help enough people get what they want to get what you want. And when you do that, you will find success. So you're going to need some tools as well when you start doing this. You're going to need some software, you guys. You're going to need a webcam. You're going to need a microphone. Now, don't let these things stop you. You can get started with something just as simple as a cell phone. Don't get hung up on you need all these different things. There are some very basic things that you're going to need. Be willing to invest in those tools so that you can actually grow your business. A lot of this stuff is actually free. One of the things that you're going to want is a plugin to your Chrome web browser called Video IQ, vidIQ. And what this does is it's a plugin to your web browser. And when you're browsing YouTube, it shows you all kinds of analytics and statistics, keywords, which is very, very important, you guys. You want to have keywords in your title that are highly searched for, but not oversaturated. And one of the ways that you can do this very cheaply is with vidIQ. You can go and download that and see all kinds of stats and statistics. More importantly, you can see the keywords on the people that you're watching, what keywords they're using so that their videos are found. And you want to make sure that you have that in your video titles as well, because you don't want to be just producing a ton of content that people aren't searching for. You want to spend your time producing content that people are actually after so that you get the best bang for your buck and your hard work. Another thing that you're going to need to be doing is you're going to need to have email marketing set up. This is something that I was not doing years ago when I got started in affiliate marketing, you guys. I literally was doing it way wrong. Getting started this time around about a year ago and getting the right information in front of me has helped me out drastically and completely changed the game for me, because now I have a business model that works, that I can implement. And email marketing is very, very important. You need to grow an email list. I don't want to harp on this too much because this isn't a video about email marketing, but you need to grow your email list. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and wrap this one up. I don't want to make this video too long, too lengthy. If I've kept you on this video this long, that is great. All the information that you need has been delivered to you in this video. Take action. You have to take action. Information without action equals zero results, you guys. Zero results. If you are serious about creating your online business in 2020, take this information and start applying it. More importantly, check out that link in the top of this description. My #1 recommendation, you guys. Get started, get the right information, get the training in front of you so that you can really blow it up in 2020 and create your life, that you dream about. You literally can do that. What you think about is what you get. So think about your business long enough and actually take enough action, get the right information in front of you, invest in yourself, and you're going to make it happen this year. I believe in you. I know you can do it because I did it. And if I can do it, you can do it too. So that's all I have for you today. I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification so that you are notified immediately when I come out with videos, because I'm coming out with videos every single week. Don't forget to shoot me a comment. Leave me your questions. Type Make Money Online, anything that you want. And I will be sure to get back to you. I always appreciate every single comment that I get. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.